Welcome back to this YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, if you are new to this channel, I welcome you. My name is Akinola King. I am the lead instructor from KinFX Academy. So, if you are new to this channel, on this channel we give different signals on how to trade, strategy on how to trade, boom and crash, volatility index, all the synthetic market and the forex market. So guys, on this particular video, if you look at the screen, you will see that the last video I dropped is as same as this. But the only difference is that the last video was on spike. You understand? So why today's video is going to be on scalping, and it's going to be the same strategy, the same indicator, the same settings. You understand? The only difference is just the approach and the confluence we are looking for before we enter the trade. So I'm going to go through the indicators again for the sake of the people that doesn't get the last video on how to cash spike on crash 500. So if you are not watched that video and you are interested in how to cash spike on this particular crash market, just click on that video displaying on the screen. You see it on the card now. You can see it at the right top of the feed of your screen. You can see it. Just click on that video to watch the video. So guys, now let's do this capping together. So you know how to set up these indicators. For the sake of people that doesn't know how to set it up, let's go to the indicator. So on the main chart, we have nothing there. So on the indicator window, we have the average directional movement index, which is called ADX. So click on it. So the settings is actually the default setting. What you are going to change is just the style and the negative deviation, which is the negative DI. So just change it to the background color of your chart. If you are using dark background, you know you are going to pick black color. And if you are using white background, just like mine, you know you are going to pick white color. The reason for that is that we don't want those style to appear on the chart. You understand? So we just want to use them for backend. So we don't want them to display on the screen. That is why we have to just use a color that will make them disappear on the chart. So the next thing to sample is just the level. Click on the level. So add these levels to your chart. 051097. The ADX is actually measured from 0, it's scaled from 0 to 100. I think it's more than that, but what we need is 0 to 100. So after you have input all these details, all these parameters, then click on save after that. So the next indicator is moving average convergence divergence, which is popularly known as MACD. Click on the MACD. So it's actually the default setting, not so. So what you are going to change on this particular indicator is under the style, which is the signal. Change the signal to the background color of your charts. So same thing applicable to the style and the negative deviation of the ADX. So we don't actually need the signal of the MACD. So we want them at the back end. So we don't want them to display it on the chart. So guys, after that, click on save. Then let's go back to the chart. So if everything I said and you follow the instruction clearly, you should have something like this on your screen. If there's anything that is different, that means you miss one thing, one or two. You understand? So if you miss anything, you won't be accurate like this. Or if your chart look like this, that means you follow every step of the instruction. Now, how do we scalp with this particular strategy? So what we are going to be using, you know, when scalping, when cashing spike, we use the level 97. Now we are going to use the 0 to 5 level on this scalping strategy. So how do we scalp? We know the ADS. The ADS is a trend indicators. You understand, which display the overbought and oversold on the market. Same thing as the MACD that measure the strength of financial sellers, tell us the how strong a trend is and how possible a trend is going to change. You understand? So it's telling us when a trend is weakening. So now, as we all know that, okay, fine, we have the oversold and the overbought region on the ADS. So we want markets to come to the oversold region of the ADS. We are not just waiting for the market to come there. We want the MACD to be touching the level 5 of the ADS. So once you see a spike occurring in the market, patiently wait for the MACD to touch the level 5 of the ADS. You understand? So and that happened at this level. You can see this first stick here. The first stick touches the level 5. Let me draw that arrow again so that you can see clearly. You see that first stick touches the level 5. You can see this three line is 0, 5, 10, and it stick touches the level 5. So after the touch, you wait for the close candle, then you buy immediately. What you just need is some ticks. Like 3 to 5 is okay for you. You understand? So you have to your risk management has to be in check. So 3 to 5 candle is a very, very good tick to pick and assist the trade. You know, this is called scalping. Scalping scalpers are trader who execute trade within seconds, even like within minutes, within seconds. So they are very fast in making their own money. Those are the scalpers. So and we call this a scalping strategy. So I don't expect you to place a trade and leave it and go and do something else. No, that is not the agreement. The agreement is we are scalping. So pick three. That is, we are staying on the chart for 3 minutes to 5 minutes. I guess maximum. You understand? So and if you patiently follow this the instruction of this strategy, I'm not sure any spike will pick you out of the market. You understand? So because I've done my analysis very well and I've done my back testing very well and I've also tested the strategy before coming up with the video. You can see you enter the trade from here. So the strategy is very effective if you follow the instruction. You see another signal here. So once you are picking three candle and you are able to get up to like 10 signals in a day, you understand? And you're having like $5 accounts, making $1 or $2 on $5 account is a lot per day. You understand? So per day, if you check the percentage of $2, is more than it's close to 25%. You understand? It's more than 20% on $5 account. It's more than 20%. So imagine having a $100,000 account and you are making 20%. You know how much that is going to be. So it is your account that is small, not the market that is giving you small money. So the bigger the size of your account, the more money you make. That is how the logic. So I don't know how you want to use turn the $5 into $100 in 1 or 2 days. It is not possible. Well, luck, it may be luck and do that, but it is not, that is not reality. So that is not the skills, that is luck, and with luck anything can happen. So and when we say something is luck, you can't, there's no consistency in it. You can't do it now and still say you want to do it tomorrow. It's not possible. You can't do that again. So follow the consistency, like just pick the three candle. If you are making $1 or $2 in a day, at least at the end of the month, you will know how much you will have double your account. With that, you will have flip your account. So, guys, if you are eager to double your account in 1 or 2 days, just know that you are eager to blow the account. So it is 50-50. So if you make $2 today, tomorrow you may make $1, that's $3. The next day you may lose. It's okay to lose in a day. You may lose $1 or $2, is still okay. You are still in profit. And the next day you make, that is how it works. That is how it works. Don't let anybody fool you that there is money in forex. There's money in forex truly, but it works for the people that have the psychology, that don't get controlled by the emotion. You understand? Not the people that find money come, but they believe in the process. So, guys, I wish you happy trading. Do your back testing. Be the confident, the self trust, and the self confidence of the strategy before using it. I wish you happy trading and always trade responsible.